Hello. This video is meant to show you the result of an ongoing experiment I've been working on in the physics department for a few years now. I wanted to see if all of the electrical needs that I need to do my professor duties here at Cal Poly could be met using solar electricity. To begin with, I have three 100-watt solar panels mounted on a building outside of my office. In bright sunlight, these panels are able to deliver about 300 watts of electrical power. The electricity from the panels has to be routed across the yard and over the building to where my office is. It was safely done by Cal Poly facilities people, and the wires are housed in this pipe here that you see going over the building. The pipe containing the wires from the solar panel then comes down the other side of the building, down the wall as you can see here, right in front of my office window. The wires then are routed inside the office where the electricity can be further processed by the rest of the system, which I'll describe. As we follow the wires along, that aluminum box is the first junction of the wires inside the office. This box here with the green stripe on it is something called the charge controller, which makes sure my batteries don't get overcharged. And as it comes out of the charge controller, it goes down these white wires here into this big wooden cabinet. The wires are fed through the cabinet, as you can see, connected directly to two big 12-volt batteries. There are four total, and the solar panels do their best to keep these batteries fully charged. Now, of course, I can't do much with 12 volts, so this big white box is called an inverter, which converts the 12 volts DC from the batteries into 120 volts AC, which is what I need to run my office equipment. So this outlet that you see here is essentially my free source of electricity, which goes across the office through this black wire right here, up to a wall outlet, which is more conveniently placed near my desk. So this wall outlet here contains free solar electricity that then I use to plug in my laptop, my pencil sharpener, and whatever other office equipment I need to do my job here at Cal Poly. So how do I know it's all working? Well, right by the charge controller, I have a meter mounted with a big needle on it that always reads about 12. When it's reading 12, I know the solar panels are on and my batteries are getting charged, as it looks like it's doing right now. So what are some of the results here? Can I really do my professor job here at Cal Poly using only solar electricity? Well, the answer is mostly yes. The number one tool as a professor is my computer, which I use to write exams and homework assignments and send emails to students and post things on PolyLearn. And for the most part, the computer can keep on and its battery charged using the electricity generated directly using this small solar electric station that I described. I can also have a few lights around the office that are run on solar electricity so the students and I don't have to sit in the dark. But sometimes, as we know in San Luis Obispo, the fog rolls in, could be for 2 or 2.5 weeks at a time. And when this happens, I definitely run out of electricity where I have to resort to using the grid to do my job here at Cal Poly. And this literally means that the big 12-volt batteries I showed you earlier, just don't get charged up and I just run out of juice.